I'm Emily and I'm on vocals.
I'm Pat and I'm producer and on keys.
I'm Carl and I'm producer and play a few instruments in the band. I'm Tom and I play guitar.
Observe the world and what will we find? Computers, disasters, politicians, so blind. Where is the hope for our future kin? The walls are thick around this box we are in. Blinded by technology, rid of the mythology, spoon-fed from a stranger's hand. Blinded by technology, rid of the mythology, spoon-fed from a stranger's hand.
So the Broken Orchestra came from myself and Carl, who founded the Broken Orchestra. We started as a production duo. The name was really just a starting point of we needed some names, and we just brainstormed with a few ideas, and it ended up sticking. And it also ties in really well with kind of how we work, which we are a band from a live point of view, but when it comes to a lot of the recording and production, you know, we take elements from various different things. And initially when we started, it was myself and Carl coming up with simple ideas, getting musicians to come and basically elaborate on those ideas, and we record snippets and loops and chop up the different things. And it sort of tied in with that really well, because obviously none of these people had ever met or anything. And it obviously changed slightly once the kind of live setup came about, because we've got a kind of more fixed bass now.
See through my eyes, caught up in games I pretended to play, but deceit finds us all in the night or the day. Weaving bittersweet tales from unreliable thread. The fibers entwine, the story is set. It's a fine balance we tread, we teeter on the brink. It's a fine balance we tread. Bring about an equilibrium high above the crowded din, where truthful silence drown in contention if I speak my mind out loud. Take a look through my eyes, looking in from the outside. I'm not bound by the enterprise. I live life with my hands untied. Our hands untied. Our hands untied. Our hands untied. Our hands untied. Da-da-da. This ocean consumes them, full of deceit and the doubts. We may drown in contention if we speak our minds out.